Welcome to online classes from Montbretia School. As I am an English teacher, so today I am going to take English grammar of class 4. So are you ready, student? Let's start the class. As in page number 11, we exercise A we have done. Now we are going to do B. So see what's written. Rewrite the following sentence putting the correct end marks. The first one has been done for you. Use capital letters where necessary. What a fine movie. So, what a fine movie. Surprise! Exclamation marks. Don't go there. D will be in capital letter. Right? Here small letter, but as a sentence start with capital letter. So, D will be capital letter. Don't go there. Full stop. Third one, C. Cover your head. C will be in capital letter. Cover C will be capital, rest will be in small letter. Cover your head. After that full stop. Fourth one you see. What a horrible sight it was. W here in question small letter, but in answer you have to write capital W, rest will be in small letter. What a horrible sight it was. Surprising, so give a exclamation mark. Fifth one. Why are you sad? W will be in capital letter. In answer, W will be in capital letter. In why? W will be in capital letter, rest will be in small letter. Why are you sad? Question mark. Sixth you see. Please show me your painting. Please, P will be in capital letter. In please, P will be in capital letter and rest will be in small letter. Please show me your painting. Full stop. Okay? In seventh you see how lovely the fountain looks. So H in how H will be capital, rest will be small. How lovely the fountain looks, and at the end you give exclamatory marks. Right? 8.1. Where do you live? Where in where W will be capital, rest will be small. Do you live? Question mark. Okay? Now C you see. C. Exercise C. In exercise we are doing the number C. Change the following interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. First one. Can you go there? Now we have to convert into assertive. And what is assertive? A sentence that states or declares something is called a declarative or assertive sentence. Gives us some information about someone or something, right? First one. Can you go there? We have to convert into assertive sentence. You can go there. In you, Y will be capital, rest will be in small letter. After that, full stop. After the completing the sentence, full stop. Question. Could he dance like Mohan? In answer, we write he. In he, H will be capital, E will be small. He. He could dance like Mohan. Full stop. In Mohan, M will be capital, rest will be small. Did he, third question you see. Did he not buy the aeroplane? Question mark. We have to convert into assertive. He. H will be capital, E will be in small letter. He did not buy the aeroplane. Full stop. 4. Is the train running late? We have to convert this interrogative into assertive sentence. So, the train, in the T will be capital, H E will be small. The train is running late. Full stop. Fifth one. Has she kept her promise? Question mark. It is the question of fifth question. The answer will be C. In C, S will be capital, rest will be small letter. She has kept her promise. Full stop. Okay? Today my homework is to learn ABC of exercise ABC of chapter. Which chapter, student? Chapter 3. Learn the ABC exercise of chapter 3. Till then, wait for my next video. Stay safe, stay home, stay safe.